Costume dice esa parte.
Yeah. Can you wear your shoes? So guys, we now have water and it's a joy, you know. I've switched on the pump and now you just get to hear the sound of the water coming. It's literally coming from I think 100 meters from the house technically, and it starts to be pumped and there we go. So yeah, so it's an exciting thing. So at the switch of the button, you get water starting to flow to the homestead. I'm yet to put the tank up, but I'll be doing that this week. The labor of love, we have to dig the trenches ourselves, and here we are. So we're excited about it. That's running water. So our water is coming all the way from down here. We had to do a serious digging of the well, so we're coming down all the way from here. So we had to dig this trench going down. The pipe and the cable are under here, so we're going all the way down this route to get to where the pipe is. I don't like going in the bushes like this, but yeah, this is our piping where we had to dig the whole thing going down going down all the way. All the way down. All the way down. All the way down. We're going. This is how we dug, guys. We worked so hard for us to get here. And then it goes all the way to our next part where we put a borehole. There. Where you can see the rock, this rock here. That's where we put the borehole. So we had to pay for that piece of land to put the borehole up there. So now we need to do some garden work. I'm gonna put my first garden. Now that we have water, this whole part, before we fenced this, it was a rod. It was being used as a rod and all that stuff. But now I want to stop the water that is flowing from down there to down there when it rains by putting beds for veggies there for whatever crops that I want to grow. I think that will be a wise use of land to do that. So we're going to do that. It involves a lot of digging, and I'm up for the task. Yes, yeah, I'm here. Good.